Welcome to our channel. If you want to save money on your Kroger shopping by downloading digital coupons, follow these step-by-step instructions to clip and use coupons through the Kroger app or website. Step 1. Open the Kroger app on your mobile device or visit Kroger.com in your web browser. Sign into your account using your Kroger Plus card number or registered email and password. Step 2. Tap on the coupons or savings icon in the main menu. This will take you to the digital coupon section where you can browse all available offers. Step 3. Browse through the available coupons by category or use the search function to find specific products you're interested in purchasing. Step 4. When you find a coupon you want to use, tap the Clip or Load to Card button. The coupon will be automatically added to your Kroger Plus card account. Step 5. Continue browsing and clipping all the coupons you want to use on your next shopping trip. There's no limit to how many digital coupons you can clip. Step 6. Before heading to the store, review your clipped coupons by going to My Coupons or Clipped Coupons section to see all active offers on your account. Step 7. When you shop at Kroger, scan your Kroger Plus card at checkout or enter your phone number. All clipped coupons for items you purchased will automatically be applied to your transaction, and your savings will appear on your receipt. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.